Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool like this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straight on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, so right here. Actually, just show it like this. So you want to push it in, and this will pop out the tray enough for you to pull it out, and on the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards, so one on each side. From there, grab your card, clip it in place. It should not be falling out if you flip the tray over, and then just pop it back into your device. Give it a moment and it should, come on, there we go, start working automatically. Once I confirm my SIM card pin, that's it. My card is now unlocked and ready to be used. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.